Hi preschoolers, it's Mrs. Allison. We're going to take a look at our calendar. So today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Yesterday was Sunday, April 12th, and it was Easter. Today is Monday, April 13th, and it is Deus's birthday today. Deus is 4 today, so happy birthday, Deus. And tomorrow will be Tuesday, April 14th. We're going to take a look at some letters. So we're going to go to the letters.
Choose a letter.
And we're going to choose letter U. That was the letter we were working on last week. So we're going to review letter U.
U.
So we have our capital U and our small u. And we have to find which picture starts with U. Here we have a little boy under the table. Here we have foot. The arrow is pointing to foot. And here we have a vase. Let's say those again. Under, foot, and vase. Which one starts with U? If you said under, the boy is under the table, you were right. Let's check our answer.
Under. Good job. Under begins with the letter U.
Great. Now we'll try it again. All right, here we have 3 more pictures. This is net,
underwear,
underwear,
elevator,
elevator. Which one starts with U, makes that sound? Let's try underwear.
Underwear.
Let's see if that's right.
You did it! Underwear begins with the letter U.
Great job. Let's go to another one. Here we have
quilt,
quilt, quilt,
unicorn,
unicorn,
rectangle,
rectangle. Which one starts with U? Well, this one's pretty easy because we hear that letter U sound.
Unicorn.
Unicorn. We hear U. So let's check our answer.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Unicorn begins with the letter U.
Great job. All right, we're going to try it again. Okay, now we have
monkey.
Monkey. What letter does monkey start with? And then we have
wheel.
Wheel. And
umpire.
Umpire. Which one starts with U? Did you say umpire? Let's try it. Let's check our answer.
You did it! Umpire begins with the letter U.
Great. Let's try it again. All right, here we go.
Up.
Up. The arrow is pointing up.
Violin.
Violin.
Zigzag.
Ooh, that's a fun word to say. Zigzag. Let's see, which one starts with U? Is it zigzag, violin, or up? I think I hear that U sound, that sound in up. Let's try it.
Up.
Let's try it and see if that's right.
Fantastic. Up begins with the letter U.
Great job. Let's try it again. All right, here we have 3 more pictures. What is this?
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Light.
Light.
Tiger.
Tiger. Let's see. What sound does tiger start with? I think it starts with T, doesn't it? Right. How about light? What do we hear when we say light? We hear L, don't we? And how about umbrella? Umbrella. I think we hear U, don't you? Let's try it.
Umbrella.
Let's see if that's right.
Good job. Umbrella begins with the letter U. You did it. You found all the pictures that begin with the letter U. Click Select Letter for even more practice, or click Home to choose a different activity.
Great job, preschoolers. We're going to stop there for today, but great job. Thanks for joining me.